say thank you to NAM, the National Association of Mortgage Brokers, for throwing a fantastic event. I learned so much from those classes, and I can't wait to get the recordings. Now, it did kind of teach me something. There's a lot of people in the mortgage space who are playing musical chairs with where they're working. I would advise against not doing that, because the grass isn't always greener on the other side. However, if it's absolutely necessary, reach out to us. We can help point you in the right direction. All you have to do is click this banner right over there or somewhere in this ecosystem. So I just saw an interview on Pod Save America with President Obama, and he said if Joe Biden wins, he's going to have to rebuild the State Department and by extension rebuild the CFPB, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. So what does that mean to us in the real estate and mortgage space, particularly the mortgage space? Well, this one's pretty simple. It means that we're going to put teeth and claws back onto that tiger. Now, that's not a problem in and of itself, other than mortgage companies are what tigers eat right now. Now, we don't have to look too far or back to remember how things were. Remember policy through punishment? That is going to come back in a big way, and President Obama simply affirmed this point. Now, it's not that the CFPB has gone completely dark over the past few years. For example, did you guys know that right now the CFPB has just recently had a settlement with mortgage lenders for deceptive mail advertisements to veterans on VA loans? For example, on July 24th, 2020, the CFPB issued a consent order for mailing advertisements for VA guaranteed mortgages that misrepresented credit terms, misleadingly described an introductory interest rate as fixed. On August 21st, 2020, the CFPB issued a consent order once again for the bait and switch approach on interest rates on advertisements, and also that stating or implying that the appraisal, assets, and income documentation were not necessary to qualify for certain types of loans. Now, this is kind of sticky, isn't it? Because on a rate reduction refinance on a VA loan, that statement is factually accurate or true, yet according to the CFPB, possibly not disclosed the right way. Yikes. In fact, under the current CFPB administration, under Kathy Kraninger, there are no less than 8 additional consent decrees. Now, I have personally withheld the names of these mortgage lenders, but suffice it to say, they're not the giant big box lenders that you might be thinking of right now. Rather, mostly mid-sized non-del and delegated lenders, probably like the company that you're currently working for. To date, the CFPB has ordered these 8 mortgage companies to pay a total of more than $2.6 million in civil money penalties and comply with various provisions for injunctive relief. Now understand, guys, that's not chump change when you consider the size of these lenders. They're very petite. Come on, screwing or misleading veterans. I think we can all get on board with being above board with our veterans, and these lenders should have to pay to set an example for the rest of the mortgage industry. However, now we're talking about a few $1,000,000 under a rebuilt CFPB. You understand this, right? A rebuilt one, as President Obama said, that could come in less than a month. Think about that for a second. A rebuilt CFPB in less than a month. And based on the polls that I recently saw, there's a 92% chance that that is in fact going to happen. What does the new CFPB in less than 30 days that has a 92% chance of happening look like? Well, it's simping. Well, it's simple. Enforcements right now are in the millions. That number will go into the billions in a big way. Here's the point. When our lenders paid billions under the Cordray administration, all those fees and all those costs make their way down to the rate sheets for future homeowners to finance over the next 30 years of their loan. Now, I'm not telling you who to vote for, but if you're in the mortgage or real estate industry, a Biden win is going to have a massive effect on how you conduct your business, or dare I say for a few of you, if you even get to conduct your business at all. Just food for thought, my friends. Hey, listen, if you're meeting us for the first time, make sure you subscribe, hit the share button for Facebook, and let's have a conversation about this with your ecosystem. But the best thing you can do is get our mobile app, and you can do that by simply doing this.
Download the National Real Estate Post mobile app today. Available on Apple Store and Google Play. Just search National Real Estate Post.